lovely people. Salam alaikum, namaste, S.H.E.I.L.D. Hope everybody is fine. Since I have uploaded my last clip, everybody kept asking me who is that young boy Irfan Junaid. So I have explained them very well that he is the famous YouTuber of Pakistan. He is the one who brought the trend of YouTube in Pakistan. He is the top man. So he is one of my famous YouTuber as well. That's why I went to meet him. Now there is another problem. It's not a problem. It says chance to look for a solution. Right. Now there are some people who keeps complaining, Rui, you don't speak English. What is this? We don't understand you. Right. So if I upload my clips in Hindi and Urdu, my English friends doesn't understand it. If I upload it in English, my Hindi and Urdu friends complains. They say, what? Have you forgot your own language? Oh, well, no this, no that. Right, I'll tell you what. From now on, I'm not gonna speak English, nor Hindi or Urdu. I'm gonna speak Arabic. Yeah, deal with it guys. من اليوم وراح احكي معاكم عربي. خلاص اعملوا اللي بدكم تعملونها وانا احكي معاكم عربي. والله مو مشكلتي، مشكلتكم انتم. تشتكون احكي انجليزي، تشتكون احكي اردو، تشتكون احكي هندي، تشتكون. انا شو ليا؟ خلاص احكي معاكم عربي. تفهمونها تفهمونها، ما تفهمونها ما تفهمونها. Anyway guys, joke apart, I am traveling again. Yes, I am going. And where am I going? Wherever this steering wheel is gonna take me, I will go. And definitely we're gonna end up on a beautiful spot. Right, this is the Flint Castle. And I love to explore new places. That's why I am here. That's why I didn't let you know in advance where I was coming to. So this is the Flint Castle. I'll take you inside as well, show you all around. I had a message to give you all. Life is about keep moving. When you were a child, you went to school, and after your school you went to high school, so you moved on. From your high school you went to college, so you moved on. From your college you went to university, so you moved on again. So life is about moving on, guys. If you have a chance, just move on, you know, and explore the life. Life is beautiful. Enjoy it and be happy, and try to spread happiness among your family, your friends, anyone you know, your colleagues. Just spread some happiness, because life is too short. You never know when are you gonna die. So instead of spreading hate, just spread happiness. This is my message for today. Let's explore the castle. अब इस कासल को देखने के लिए आपका क्या ख्याल है कि मैं सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ूँगी, मैं इन स्टेयर से ऊपर जाऊँगी? क्यों मजाक कर रहे हो भाई? You know what is he reading? You know what this note says here? It says, don't forget to click on that lovely red icon of subscribe. Yeah, come here and read it yourself. It says here, RK Vlogs. Do subscribe me. If you like it, don't forget to click on thumbs up, and hope to see you in my next video. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.